Back to Wolf Quest. So today, this episode, I think I'm gonna try to find some elk to hunt, maybe. And so let's look around for some elk. I am in an elk territory right now. Did I just see an elk, or was that something else? I don't know what that was. Okay, let's look at my map. I don't know what I'm doing out of the elk territory. I have to go. Oh yeah. What is gray spin? Here's the elk herd over here, I think. Or is that trees? That's trees, okay. This might be a problem. I think I lost the elk herd. Is this it over here? Or is that... No, those are trees too. I keep mistaking trees for the elk herd. Oh, come on. It has to be around here somewhere. Okay. I'll find a different elk herd. Let's go... Let's go... Well, hunting ground is orange. So... I'm gonna try to find the elk herd, so I'm gonna go back. Yeah, I'm gonna go back. Okay. I have to turn a little bit this way. And, I just go straight ahead. And, the sad truth about Twilight is, I'm gonna save my game real quick, because, I went into the game, and, I had to find a new mate, so this is actually not, I call this one Twilight 2, because Twilight got deleted. That wasn't very exciting for me. That was off tape, so that footage is not even a thing. Oh my gosh, it's lagging right now really quick. I'm just gonna stop, and I'm gonna look at my maps. Okay, I'm almost there. I'm sorry if the screen glitches up. I'm trying to fix that, but it's a little bit hard. Right, this one seems not very strong at all. Oh, it's gonna fight back, though. Alright, get it, Twilight. I'm wondering if there is any more maps. Like, I know there's a Lost River, but I'm wondering if there's, like, different versions of this game. And I know there is different versions, but if you guys know how to get to different versions, please tell me in the comments so I can play. This is like the Android version, Lost River. So, in this version you can get pups, but I know that there's different versions and they're different. So, I would like if someone knows in the comments to talk about, like, say something about that. That one's a little strong. How about this one over here? Alright, this one should be able to manage. It's gonna take off that way pretty soon. Or is it just gonna fight the whole time? I've never seen an elk that did that. I think once, maybe, but not very often. They usually fight, run away, or just run away. Alright. Well, I'm right here, so... Excuse me. Alright. Let's chase this one. What is Twilight fighting? Okay, I hear her, like, fighting something over there. I don't know what she's fighting. Maybe an elk that's somewhere else? I don't know. Alright, come here, elk. Come on, you can't get away from me. Alright, let me rest up for a second. Yes, Everest, get it, please. Oh, I ran into a bunch of crows. I actually feel like I'm a real wolf chasing one right now. Paused. Gonna let it sit for a while. There we go. Come on, Everest. Oh, sorry, not Everest. It's Twilight. I have so many wolves in different accounts. I have Everest, I have Grace, and I have Twilight. This is Twilight. Grace is also white. This is like white wolves, I guess. I was originally gonna name her Pepper. I mean Salt, but I was gonna do Salt and Pepper, but I thought that was a little bit, just not very serious. Oh my gosh, you're gonna climb the mountain now? Oh, jeez, how far did we go? Alright, vultures are circling something up there. I think they're vultures. Alright, let's go down the mountain. And, I guess just... Alright, so do I, sniff around for the herd? Yes. Alright, this is where Grace's lead, so I'm just gonna follow her path. Her scent. Her scent path. Okay, I think this is the right way. I keep saying different names. I meant Twilight. I'm gonna have to start getting used to that. Alright, where is her, right here? But where is the elk herd? Maybe it doesn't, because I went too far, maybe? And her scent doesn't leave that far back? Oh, I see here. What is this? It's like a star. Oh, is that the compass? Okay. Oh, do I go this way? Oh no, I don't. Alright, I'm kind of confused. Anyway, next episode, I'm going to, try to, I'm going to try to, maybe get puppies, and, if I can't get them that episode, I'll do it after the episode after that. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, of Wolf Quest. I sure did. And, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.